formula for perfect crafting success. Just add imagination with the Brothers Scan & Cut DX for precision scanning, cutting, drawing, embossing, and foiling. Now, the only home and hobby cutting machine with a built-in scanner has essentially everything else you need to create stunning home crafting projects, like Brothers' industry-first auto blade sensor technology. This wonderful time-saving feature automatically detects material thickness to cut precise, custom, and built-in patterns. It even has a setting for making half cuts, so you can cut the top layer of vinyl without cutting the backing. You'll be able to create and edit designs quickly and easily on the 5-inch LCD touchscreen display. You'll love that you can weld, rotate, and resize your designs right on the screen. There's no need to use a computer or complicated software. And Scan & Cut DX has over 1,300 built-in designs, including 140 quilt patterns and 17 lettering fonts. And that doesn't even include the many custom designs you can make by combining built-in designs with scanned images. Plus, wireless-ready features that work with Canvas Workspace to let you create virtually anywhere and anytime. Work remotely on your PC, tablet, or even on your phone, and then send your cut files over to Scan & Cut DX wirelessly. Exclusive to this model, Scan & Cut DX reads most PES and PHC files directly. There's no need to convert. Just select the applique parts you want to cut, then take those cut pieces over to your Brother embroidery machine and tack them down to create unique fabric items. Plus, when you use the stitch detection mode, you can create various drawing, embossing, or foiling projects all from one embroidery file. Matless cutting is now a reality with the optional roll feeder for vinyl. It's perfect for those bigger projects like car decals and signs. Cut material up to 12 inches wide and almost 6 feet in length. And when you use the universal pen holder with the roll feeder, you can draw personalized banners too. Now you have a place to store all of your accessories. And wait, listen, do you hear that? Of course not, because it's whisper quiet, just right for those late night crafting sessions. What more do you need to achieve crafting brilliance? Just one thing. Imagination! The Brothers Scan & Cut DX.